good evening everyone! Merry, Merry, Merry Christmas! Ayan, kumusta po kayo guys? Kumusta ang Christmas nyo? Ayan, nakabalot na ba kayo ng mga gift? Ayan guys, so sa video ito guys, magbubukas tayo ng mga gift. Ayan, kung makikita nyo, andito yung mga gift. Ayan, andito sa harap natin yung mga gift. Kasi, hindi ko pa pala na-upload guys. Nag-Christmas party kami sa Taimitok. Nung pumunta kaming nag-barbecue doon. At saka natulog kami doon ng isang gabi. So Christmas party kami doon. Kaya lang wala na kaming time mag-open ng mga gift, kaya inuwi na lang namin. So ayan, mag-o-open tayo ngayon ng gift. Ayan guys, samahan nyo ako mag-open nitong mga gift nila guys. Ayan, ayan. So kahit wala pang 25, so ito na yung early Christmas. O di ba? Kasi mga busy na naman tayo sa sa 25. So ayan. So ito yung mga unang gift namin ngayong December. Gift na na-receive namin ngayong December, na-receive ni Sophie kasi meron din naman sa akin pala. So, ito yung unang na-receive namin ngayong December, guys. So, samahan nyo kaming mag-open. Okay, Sophie, do you want to come and join me to open?
Yes!
Okay, come here.
We can open this.
Okay, say hi to them.
Hi!
Okay, so which one you want to open first? This one? Okay.
Yeah.
Ito ang unang gusto niyang i-open. Be happy. Palibhasa kasi guys, nakikita niya parang candy or chocolate siguro. So, atat siyang mag-open nito guys. Ayan. Oh, can you open?
You open from there?
Yeah, you can open now. Show them. See? Oh, ayan. Chocolate nga guys, chocolate.
What's this yellow chop?
Chocolate. Ayan, chocolate. Oh. Atat na kasi mag-open. Ito ang unang in-open niya, chocolate. Okay, which one do you wanna open next? This one. Okay, ito yung next na pinili niyang i-open. Merry Christmas! Ayan. Actually, galing ito kay Sis Lot. Ayan, binigay niya sa akin. Ayan, so tignan natin kung anong nasa loob. Okay, can we open? Ooh! Wow!
Should we open this?
You already see. It's a candle, right?
Candle?
So good smell. Oy, anong ganda guys. Ayan, candle. From Sis Lot. Ang bango niya sis. Thank you so much Sis Lot. Ayan. Alam mo talaga yung hilig ko Mahilig ako sa candle. Ayan. Ang bango niya, ang bango. Parang candy yung amoy. Ang ganda, ang bango. Ay, kanino nga nagaling ito? This one is from Ray. Kasi yung exchange gift namin guys is bunutan siya by number. Kung anong nabunot mong number, yun ang gift na mapupunta sa iyo. So ito yung napunta sa amin. Number 3 and 4 yung nabunot namin. Okay, let's open.
Yeah, Mama.
Let's open. Wow! Oh, ang galing! Oy, tignan nyo naman. 10. May price pa talaga, Hindi pa tinanggal yung price. Wow! Paborito ko din ito, guys. Kasi mahilig nga ako sa kape. So, ayan. Oh, paglagyan ng mainit na tubig. Oh, diba? Oy, diba ang ganda? Oh. Ang ganda ng kulay. Gusto ko yung black. Gusto ko yung kulay. Tapos may kasama pang lychee. Diba, guys? Oh, thank you, Ray, sa gift mo. Thank you.
And habo next?
Yeah, how about next? Which one is next?
This one.
That one?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, hold on. So, ito naman daw yung gusto niyang i-open. This one is... Oh, to Sophie! Merry Christmas from Tita Alma! Is your gift from Tita, okay?
Yeah,
so,
Mama.
let's open!
Yeah.
Okay. Yes! Ay, ang ganda, ang cute. Oh, 'di ba? Tamang-tama sa weather, guys, kasi sobrang lamig dito ngayon sa Hong Kong, guys. So, ayan, tamang-tama kay Sophie. Ayan, do you want to say thank you to Tita?
Yeah.
Say thank you na.
Thank you.
Alma, ayan. Thank you. Sis, sa gift mo kay Sophie. Tamang-tama, 'di ba? Malamig ngayon. So isusuot niya. Ayan, thank you. Thank you sa gifts, Tita Alma. Okay, sit down, sit down.
What is that? It's biscuit.
Biscuit. Wow, that's so yummy. Okay, can you pull up? Oh, biscuit. Wow, mayroon na siyang biscuit.
Mama, want to open that?
Biscuit. Thank you so much, Tita Alma. Come on, you have to say thank you.
Thank you, Tita Alma.
Yes, thank you for this. This one is from Simon. I think from kay Simon. Ayan.
We open.
Open.
So
This is for your gift or my gift?
it's mine. I told you.
Oh, for Sophie daw. Okay. Wow, show to the camera. What is this? Wow, ang sarap. Godiva chocolate.
Mama.
What is this? Can you show this one? What is this, honey? Uy, ang ganda. Ang cute. Wait, we have to open first and show. Yes, di ba? Ang cute niya. What is this? Oh, it's chocolate, honey. I think it's chocolate. Yeah, it's chocolate. Ang cute naman chocolate, oh. Sophie, it's chocolate. Chocolate pala, guys. Ayan. Tingnan nyo naman yung lalagyan. Ang ganda. No, later, after dinner. Okay, put it back.
Mama, what to eat now?
After dinner, honey. Okay? Thank you. We open first the gift. See, ang cute kasi ng lalagyan, guys. Ay, Diyos ko. Ayan, Oh, parang siya, parang perfume. Ayan. Pero chocolate yung nasa loob. Maribel, New York. Ayan. And ito daw yung susunod na i-open niya. Okay, you can open by yourself.
Yeah.
Wow, another coat. This one is from whom? Let me read. Can we read? This one from whom? Dear Sophie, Merry Christmas. Love, Auntie Lot and Uncle Rodel. Ayan. This is from Uncle Rodel and Auntie Lot. Okay, can you open? You open? Wow! Ang ganda! Ang ganda! Ako na yung nag-open eh. Oh, diba? Thank you, Tita.
And this
Can you say
one.
thank you, Tita Lot?
Thank you, Tita Rod.
For the gift. For the Christmas gift.
For the Christmas gift.
Ayan, ang ganda. Oh, colorful, diba? Oh, dress. Ayan. Tapos, ito naman is my hood. Wow, so pretty, Sophie.
Yeah. Pixie.
Oh, may hood siya. Ayan. Thank you, Tita. Thank you, Tita Lot. Okay, another gift? One. Ayan. Love, Auntie Lot and Uncle Rodel. From Uncle Rodel and Auntie Lot again. Oh, so many. Auntie Lot, you give so many gifts to
Mama,
Sophie.
I want to open now.
Okay, you can open.
Mama.
Silot talaga, oh, ang cute.
Mama, what is that?
Oh, chopstick.
Yeah, Mama, want to open that?
Oh, this one is so cute. You sit down properly. I cannot see you in the camera. Sit down properly. Yes. That is chopstick. And this one is headband. Wow, what is this?
It's clear.
Wow, it's so pretty.
Yeah, Mama wants to open that.
Oh, meron ka ng kakainan. Oh, diba? May kainan na. Oh, lalagyan ng mga snack. Oh, maganda, maganda.
Mama, I want to
This
open
one
that.
is to Sis Mars Merry Christmas from Alma. This one is from Tita Alma. Okay. Okay. You wanna open? Yeah. You can help me to open. Let's see what is this. Okay. What is inside? Huh?
What?
Nothing here. Wow! Wow! Tita Alma, thank you so much. Ano to, blanket? Ay, towel? Ay, ano ito? Okay, let's open. Let's open. Open. Ay, ano siya? Ang kapal, oh. Maganda ngayon.
Mama,
kasi
I
ano
already
talaga.
done.
Malamig siya.
Mommy, I already finished.
You already finished?
Yeah.
No, I just want to show this one.
Hey,
Okay, you can go on the bed.
Yeah.
Uy, ang ganda ang kapal, oh. Uy, ano ba yung nakita ko kaninang picture? Pwede siyang, pwede siyang balabal. Saan ba yun? Ay, wala naman. Parang dito is meron siyang, ayan kasi, oh, yung niya, ayan. Parang pwede siyang, ito pala, ito. So, pwede siyang, iganyan siya. Kasi meron siyang, clip. Ayan, pwede mo siyang isara. Ayan. Ayan, pwede siyang isara. Ayan. O, diba? Tamang-tama, sis, kasi malamig ngayon. So, ayan. Gagamitin ko kasi, malamig ngayon, sobra. Hindi umuubra yung mga jacket natin sa sobrang lamig. So, ayan guys, thank you so much sa mga nagbigay ng gift. Kay Sophie at saka sa akin, ayan. Wala akong maisusukli sa inyo, kundi salamat and God bless you. And God bless your work, your source of income, ayan. I-bless kayo ni Lord, ayan. Thank you so much at enjoy lang natin ang ating Christmas, ayan. Ngayon dito sa Hong Kong guys is sobrang lamig, sobra talaga. 10 degrees dito sa amin. So sa ibang dako kasi dito sa Hong Kong mas malamig pa. So mga kaibigan ko na andyan sa New Territories na nandito rin sa Hong Kong, ayan guys, keep yourselves warm, ayan. Kung lalabas kayo, ayan, magdamit kayo ng makapal na jacket kasi kanina lumabas kami.
Open that.
Pumunta lang ako ng MTR. Diyos ko, sobrang lamig guys. Yung lamig is napupunta, mararamdaman mo talaga sa ulo mo yung lamig guys. So, pag lumalabas kayo guys, kailangan yung mabalot talaga yung ulo. Kung may bonnet kayo, mas maiging mag-bonnet guys. Kasi malamig talaga. So, ayan guys, thank you for watching. At sa mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe sa aking YouTube channel guys, ayan, baka naman paki-subscribe and share and like na rin. At mag-comment na rin kayo dyan sa baba guys. Ayan, kung ano yung mga gusto nyong mapanood pa or malaman about sa akin. Ayan, okay naman kayong mag-comment dyan guys. So ayan, thank you so much sa inyong panunood at sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta guys. Ayan, thank you so much and Merry Christmas to everyone. Enjoy your Christmas. Bye bye everyone. God bless.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.